What's up, guys? It's Cash Money coming to you live.
Let's go. Snapbacks and tattoos, nice whips.
And today we are going to talk about the GoPro Hero.
Wait, that needs to be like a cutout. Like, you're cute.
What's up, guys? It's Cash Money coming to you live here from your Happy Friday, the last weekend of October. And today I'm super excited to vlog with you today because we're gonna talk about my iPhone 12 Pro came in the mail actually like 4 days ago, but took me the willpower to not open it until Friday because of a busy nursing week ahead. I actually have an exam on Monday, but we're not gonna talk about that. And I also got in the mail today the 20-watt power adapter, USB-C power adapter to charge the iPhone 12 because the iPhone 12 model actually doesn't come with the headphones and charger, which I actually don't really mind because I have a lot of outlet boxes for iPhone chargers. And also they said that they're able to ship a tremendous amount more of iPhones when they packaged it now without the power adapter and the headphones. So that means that you can get your iPhone faster because they're gonna be producing more. So I'm really excited to open this. So I got the iPhone 12 Pro and I got the Pacific Blue one. I'm really excited about this because I'll show you what I've been rocking the last 5 years, I think. iPhone, here it is, hold on. There it is. See that? Bam. It's my parents in the background, but is that good? My iPhone 7, yes, Touch ID, don't make fun, has lasted me a long time. As you see, there's a lot of character built in it. You could literally touch the inside of the phone, but an upgrade was definitely needed. Got the gold one. Wanted to change it up and get the Pacific Blue. Bam. All right, I can't wait.
Yeah,
I can't wait.
Wow.
Holy smokes.
Sorry.
No, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Shannon.
Okay, so Pacific Blue, right there. Look at that quality. Thank you to my cameraman, camera crew, camera woman. Holy smokes! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that Apple brought back the
side.
Side is not curved anymore.
Wait, they did. I am so happy about
Me
that.
too. This is similar to the model of the iPhone 5. So they're bringing back that shape again, which is awesome. Personally, I think this feels better in my hand than this one. I feel like I'm like butter, clearly. Look at all the cracks on here. Actually, these cracks took months to take. This is not all in one shot, but that's another story. And here we go, ready? Oh my gosh. Okay, that unveiling was so nice, I had to do it twice. Also, why was I giving myself background noise with the opera singing? So as you can see here, the bezel is smaller, which accommodates for more display. iPhone 12 Pro is 6.1 inches in display, and it comes with the 3 cameras, and it comes with LiDAR scanning. Okay, so the iPhone 12 Pro, here we go. Comes with the power cord, and let's open this up. Whoa, this like really looks cool. And the table being white makes it look really cool too. Okay, so it comes with a new charging port. So, because this is going to fit into my new adapter, which is right here. Bam. So let's open this up. Now when I'm hanging out with people, I don't have to confuse my charger. Also, that means you can't take my chargers anymore.
That's not nice.
That's not nice. Here you go. All right. Power adapter USB-C is a different shape and fits with the iPhone 12 Pro that I have here. Bam, you plug it in and then you charge it in down here. Makes sense, just like with your other iPhones. And now more to the fun, the iPhone 12 Pro. This is the Pacific Blue model. You see that the buttons over here are actually a lot slimmer, and it just creates more of a discreet look. Also has a stainless steel side right here, so it looks like a mirror reflection here. It does pick up some fingerprints, but I don't mind that. And there's your charging port again. It feels very good.
I say when you turn on. You turn it on.
Patience is a virtue.
I'm not patient. We've been
I
waiting
am.
for months.
Hey, okay. And the moment we have all been waiting for it. Damn, look at this angle, by the way, guys. Hold on. Hey, hello. I remember when the iPhone 11 came out and I still had my iPhone 7 that was cracked, and I was like, should I buy it? No, I'm gonna wait for the iPhone 12 because I want 5G.
The sun's coming down.
Hello.
Swipe up to open for the first time.
Quick start. Bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to set. No way. It's that easy? iPhone 12 and iPhone. Oh my gosh. Unlock and to continue? What? No way. I did not know it was that easy. Thank you, Apple. Hold up your new iPhone up to the camera.
You have to hit the blue. Yeah.
What?
It's cool, right?
Since when is it that easy? Enter passcode of your other iPhone. All right, let's look at over here for a second. It's that easy?
Technology's crazy.
It's that easy?
Isn't
Is it that easy?
Yeah, it doesn't take too long.
What? Hey, you want to touch it? You could touch it. Touch it. Touch it.
I don't
Touch
wanna
it.
touch
Touch it.
that.
Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it. Touch it.
Thanks. I love. Oh my god, this does feel so nice. The sides. Oh, should I do mine first?
Oh my god, Face ID!
Should I do mine first or yours?
Yes, you should do yours
No,
first.
yours first.
I've
You have to
never
spin
done it.
Okay, so
How do
you've
you
never
do
done
this?
it. So to do it, you go like this. It'll be like because they have to teach you at the Apple Store, and it's like you look this way, this way, and then you basically just go like this.
I know, but the camera can't see what you're doing.
You do.
What do you do? How to do it at the Apple Store?
You just go like this, but slow. So like.
What does it slow look like?
Like ooh, boop, and then again and again and then
All right.
again. Here,
So like this?
it'll show you. It'll
Like
tell
this.
you. Look, it'll tell you.
Like this?
Continue. How to
Set up Face ID. First position.
You'll see it. You'll see it.
So like this?
No, baby, you'll see it on the screen and it might not go. Okay, hold it up.
Whoa, should I put my glasses on or no?
It doesn't matter.
Move your head slowly to complete the circle.
Follow the arrow. Go down in a circle. Do like a head roll. Yes.
Whoa.
And then
I've
it's
never
gonna
done
say
this.
first one is good. Sorry, and then now go again.
Move your head slowly to complete
Do it
the
again.
circle. Oh, I went the wrong way.
No, yeah, you got it.
What's happening with the phone right now? Apple gave me the options to either transfer from iPhone to iPhone data or upload with iCloud, and because I bought iCloud, I'm just gonna transfer it from iCloud, so that's kind of what's happening right now. See? Yo, having Face ID is a new world right now. Okay, my world is shook right now. Just put in my Apple Pay and it says double click the side button, authenticate with Face ID and hold near reader. Use Apple Pay whenever you see one of these symbols. Did not know that I could just double click this button, Face ID shows up, and that's how that works. I'm pretty late to the game, but not anymore. Time flies by. What's up, guys? It flies by. It flew by. Speaking of flying.
Do you want to go on vacation? Yes,
yeah,
I do.
I would love to go on vacation. I need a break from nursing school. We're almost done though. Like we're halfway there.